What simple monthly HVAC checks should every homeowner perform? Every homeowner should inspect the air filter, check vents and outdoor equipment, clear drain lines, and watch for unusual sounds, smells, or temperature changes. Start by checking the air filter once a month, even if the package says it lasts longer, because dusty homes, pets, and construction can clog it faster. Hold the filter toward a light and replace it when you cannot see light clearly through the material. Make sure the arrow on the new filter points toward the furnace or air handler, because installing it backward can reduce airflow. Walk through the home and confirm that supply vents and return vents are open and not blocked by furniture, rugs, or curtains. Look around the indoor unit for water, rust, or unusual noise, and check that the condensate drain area is not overflowing. Near the outdoor unit, remove leaves, grass, and other debris, but turn off power before touching or cleaning anything. Keep plants and stored items at least 2 feet away so air can move freely. A useful check many homeowners miss is comparing the temperature of the air leaving a vent with the room temperature. A sudden change from normal may point to an airflow, refrigerant, or equipment problem. Do not assume a dirty filter is only a comfort issue, because restricted airflow can make the system overheat or freeze, so replace it promptly. Do not pour harsh chemicals into a condensate drain, since they can damage parts or create dangerous fumes. Use a proper cleaning method from the equipment manual or call a technician. Do not ignore repeated cycling, burning smells, buzzing, or water leaks, because turning the system off and arranging professional service is safer than guessing. Also, never remove electrical panels or handle refrigerant yourself. Monthly checks are for observation and basic upkeep, not risky repairs. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.